The contribution of Bihar in the spread and enrichment of Hindi as a language has been unparalleled. Starting from late President Rajendra Babu to Ramdhari Singh Dinkar, very few know that Bihar was the first state in the country to adopt Hindi as Rajbhasha. But unfortunately, today Congress-led India Alliance leaders like Karnataka CM Siddaramaiah, DMK Supremo, and Tamil Nadu CM MK Stalin and Telangana CM Revanth Reddy believe in targeting Hindi, degenerating it to achieve their political goals. Towing MK Stalin's line, Karnataka Congress CM Siddaramaiah today accused the BJP-ruled centre of imposing Hindi in Karnataka and neglecting the Kannada language. Addressing the state's Foundation Day celebrations in Bengaluru, Siddaramaiah accused the centre of neglecting the Kannada language and imposing Hindi, urging people of the state to stand against those who are anti-Kannada. He said injustice is being done to the classical language Kannada by denying adequate funds for its growth. We have to oppose all those who are anti-Kannada. Further emphasizing the importance of preserving and promoting Kannada, Siddaramaiah said the language neglect in the education system has created many challenges. Children of the developed nations think, learn and dream in their mother tongue. But here, the situation is against it. English and Hindi. Another Congress CM from Telangana, Revanth Reddy too, in month of March 2025, categorically stated that he was against the imposition of Hindi in his state. He too tried to pit Hindi against Telugu, portraying Hindi as the villain. Further, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister MK Stalin's hate for Hindi is well known. But the question is, why do India Alliance leaders like Stalin, Siddaramaiah or Revanth hate Hindi so much? Is it that they think that Hindi is prominently spoken in populous states like Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and others? So opposing it is the moral right. Today, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge is leading the Congress campaign in Bihar. Does he have the audacity to say that for him, Hindi is a language forced on Kannadigas? No, he will never say that as his party is fighting an election in Bihar. There have been BJP governments in a state like Karnataka in the past, but did you ever see language issue ranking up then? Issues like pulling down of Hindi billboards and asking shopkeepers to replace it with those in Kannada language only take place in Congress rule. But then Congress today is led by a leader who says is South better than North, dividing country on regional lines. Hope people of Bihar remembers this while casting their vote.